How to face hard times at workplace? Tough time don't last. Tough professionals do. Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Master Class with Tapas. This is the place for new age management skills for budding managers like you all. Have you ever had a time at work when nothing seems to be going right? It happens to all of us. Perhaps you received a poor performance rating despite working hard. Maybe you were overlooked for a promotion, faced a difficult boss, dealt with office politics, struggled with a job insecurity, or made a mistake that shook your confidence. If your answer is yes, let me tell you something important. You are not alone. Every successful professional you admire has gone through difficult phases at work. The difference is not that they never face hardship. The difference is that they learn how to respond to them. In today's video, I will share some of the strategies on how to face hard times at workplace, stay strong mentally, protect your career and emerge even stronger. So let's begin. Watch the video till the end and subscribe to my channel. First, accept the situation instead of fighting reality. One of the biggest mistakes professional makes is spending too much energy asking why me, this is unfair, why it is happening to me now. While these feelings are natural, they don't solve the problem. The moment you accept reality, you regain control. Remember, acceptance is not surrender. Acceptance is the starting point of a recovery. If you receive a poor appraisal, accept it. If your project failed, accept it. If your role has been changed, accept it. You cannot change what has already been happened, but you can absolutely influence what happens next. The strongest professionals are not those who avoid problems, they are those who quickly adapt to reality, then control what you can control. Whenever we face hard times, we often focus on things outside our influence or control. Company decisions, market conditions, or management changes, organization restructuring, we can't control. Instead, create two lists: things that we can control, leadership decision, office politics, budget cuts, we can't control, but things that we can control: my attitude, my work quality, my learnings, my relationship, my communication. Successful people focus their energy on those things. Every day ask yourself, what is the one thing that I can do to improve my situation? Small action repeated consistently create remarkable result. Don't let temporary setbacks define your identity. Many professionals makes the mistake of connecting their self-worth to a temporary event. A poor appraisal becomes that I am a total failure. Rejection becomes I'm not good enough. One mistake becomes my career is over. No, a setback is an event. It is not your identity. Think some of the world's most successful people, they faced failures, criticism, rejection, lays off, and disappointment. Yet they kept moving forward. Always remember, you are the bigger than any single appraisal, project, promotion, or mistake. Don't let one chapter define the entire book. Build emotional resilience. This is very important. Hard times are never just professional challenges, they are emotional challenges. That is why resilience matters. Here are the few things that can help. Exercise regularly. Even a 30-minute walk can reduce stress significantly. Maintain sleep discipline. Lack of sleep magnifies the workplace stress. Talk to the trusted people, friend, family, mentors, or colleague can provide valuable perspective. Avoid negative loop. Constantly replaying the problems in your mind only increases anxiety. Resilience is like a muscle. The more you train it, it becomes stronger. Remember, our pressure does not create character, it reveals character. Seek feedback, not validation. When things go wrong, many people immediately becomes defensive. Instead, ask what can I learn? What could I have done differently? What skills should I improve? Feedback is a gift. It may not always be delivered perfectly, but hidden inside criticism is often an opportunity for growth. The professionals who grow the fastest are those who listen carefully, reflect honestly, improve continuously. Every challenge carries a lesson. Your job is to find that. Keep learning during difficult times. Hard times can either break you or build you. The choice often depend on what you do during the struggle. Use difficult periods to analyze, learn new skills, improve technical expertise, strengthen your communication, build relationship and capability, expand your professional network. Many careers have been transformed because someone used a setback as a catalyst for growth. Ask yourself, in this difficult period, then what new capability will I have gained? Turn adversity into an investment. Then maintain professionalism no matter what. This is one of the most important lessons. When under pressure, don't blame others, don't spread negativity, don't engage in office gossip, don't damage relationships. People remember how you behave during difficult situation. Professionalism under pressure build reputation. Anyone can remain positive during good time. Great professionals remain respectful, composed and solution oriented during the bad times. Your character become visible when circumstances become challenging. Believe that the tough times are temporary. Pause for a moment, think about the biggest challenge you faced in last 5 years or so. At that time, it probably felt overwhelming, yet you are today, you survived, and the chances are you become stronger because of it. The same will happen with your current challenge also. Everything changes, project changes, manager change, organization change, circumstances change. Hard times are temporary. The skills, resilience, experience and wisdom you gain from them can last a lifetime. So let me leave you with maybe this thought: a smooth sea never made a skilled sailor. Workplace challenges are not the sign that your journey is ending. Often they are sign that your growth is the beginning. Stay focused, stay positive, keep learning and keep showing up. And remember, your toughest days are often prepared you for the greatest achievement. If you found value in this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Master Class with Tapper. Let me know in the comments what is the biggest workplace challenge that you must have overcome or faced and what did it teach you. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now. Thank you.